Hey gang, this is Dr. Pete, and I see you've returned to learn about all things microbiome. Well, what I've been reading about is intestinal dysbiosis, or an imbalance of our microbiome, is caused by inadequate diets, antibiotic use, enteric pathogens such as salmonella, alters the intestinal barrier, and impairs the immune system response to vaccines. And several studies that were recognized by the National Institute of Health I've come across. One talked about 5 days on a broad spectrum antibiotics before a vaccine had hindered the immune response of H1N1A, which was a California specific virus. Reduced levels of diversity of the microbiome impaired the immune response of a vaccine. So in developed countries like United States, Great Britain, Sweden, you had a 90% efficacy rate or success rate with that vaccine. In India, you had a 50% success rate. In South Africa, a 77% success rate. In Ghana, Kenya, Bangladesh, and Vietnam, it was only a 40 to 50% success rate. So the less diverse the microbes in your gut, the more impaired the immune system response was to vaccines. Antibiotics put us in a pro-inflammatory state, and that creates a dysfunctional immune system, which means we're going to have more allergies, more pain. And think about it, a dysfunctional immune system is what the SARS-2 virus works with to cause trouble with us. All right, another study talked about probiotics with infants for 6 months before they got their vaccines, increased vaccine effect on diphtheria, tetanus, type B influenza, and hepatitis B. And then they gave probiotics to adults for 1 to 5 weeks, and that increased the vaccine effect for rotavirus, papillomavirus, and cholera. So, in conclusion, you better get your gut up. If they ever come up with this vaccine for the COVID, you got to prepare your gut to make sure it's going to work for you. All right, see you next time.